A Night Prayer. Psalm 4. Answer me when I call. God, who vindicates me, you freed me from affliction. Be gracious to me and hear my prayer. How long, exalted ones, will my honor be insulted? How long will you love what is worthless and pursue a lie? Know that the Lord has set apart the faithful for himself. The Lord will hear when I call to him. Be angry and do not sin. On your bed, reflect in your heart and be still. Offer sacrifices in righteousness and trust in the Lord. Many are asking, who can show us anything good? Let the light on your face shine on us, Lord. You have put more joy in my heart than they have when their grain and new wine abound. I will both lay down and sleep in peace, for you alone, Lord, make me live in safety. Amen.